You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is q equals -5. Let's solve it step by step. Swap sides. Isolate the m. Multiply both sides by q+1. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Break up the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the m. Multiply both sides by 2q. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Simplify the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the coefficients. Group all m terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 4q from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all m terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 4 opening brace q closing brace to the power of opening brace 2 closing brace from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 5 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is q equals -5.